At Concordia University's Gina Cody School of Engineering and Computer Science, undergraduate students benefit from a hands-on approach to learning in cutting-edge laboratories and workshops. Located on the Sir George Williams campus in vibrant downtown Montreal, the school offers 12 programs across 7 departments and access to a growing number of labs and research centers. Classes and lectures take place in the hall and EV buildings, where students enjoy modern facilities, from bright classrooms to well-equipped study and collaboration areas. Many of the school's state-of-the-art labs are located in the hall building, including the Solar Simulator and Environmental Chamber Lab, where research is conducted on designing and building net-zero energy homes and buildings. This unique facility is one of only 5 in the world to accurately test solar systems under standard test conditions with simulated full sun. In the Environmental Engineering Lab, students learn about the impact of engineering activities on the ecosystem and how to prevent pollution through the design of treatment systems. The Building Service Systems Lab introduces the critical components of building infrastructure like HVAC, water supply, sanitation, and electrical distribution systems. In the Engineering, Design, and Manufacturing Processes Lab, students learn to use and understand industrial quality machinery tools to become better designers. By studying how water moves in different environments and conditions, the Hydraulics Lab provides insight into the design of hydraulic structures like channels, dams, and spillways. In the Anatomy of Engineering Lab, tools like drills, lawn mowers, power washers, and car transmissions are disassembled and reassembled to learn how they work. The Electronics Lab delivers a fundamental understanding of circuits through simulation and experimentation. A few of the circuits assembled and simulated in the lab are amplifiers, voltage regulators, and current mirrors. In the Basic Circuits and Systems Lab, students gain experience measuring circuit variables using a variety of instruments. The Fluid Mechanics and Gas Dynamics Lab explores fluid and gas flow concepts and introduces fluid simulation and modeling using ANSYS Fluent software. The Flight Control Systems Lab introduces flight control and flight dynamics principles. Putting theory into practice, students test aircraft control and flight instruments using the lab's flight simulator. To learn more about program offerings and research opportunities, visit concordia.ca/ginacody.